What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And y'all see what we got going on today, man. Another collab. Me and Rick, man, aka Don't Panic. Y'all make sure to follow him on YouTube. Don't Panic, man. It's going down. Today, we going in on the little S10, man. Cause y'all saw in the other video, I just got the new shifter. So we just doing something simple. He gonna change the shifter out for me. Cause I ain't feel like fooling with it and stuff. So he gonna change the shifter out for me. I hit him up, say, hey bro, you wanna make a little money right quick? Boom boom. Cause you got to look out for your people too, regardless. And like, yeah man, let's get it in. So, you know, that's what we got going on today. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all can see this shifter install. Catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Checking in, man. Y'all see my friend Rick that made it over here. Going in. I got another problem over there. I ain't even gonna show y'all. It was gonna be another video, but it's another problem. I'm out here wrestling with it. So he about to get the shifter changed out. That one right there work, y'all. That one work. They right here, I don't know what's going on with it, but he already got the base plate off. Like I said, it should be a simple, quick little install. Should just swap out. Oh, that part right there, they got to pull back. Yeah, but that's it. Star shifter. Like I said, it got two modes: standard shield pattern, and it do ratchet too. Do the ratchet mode too. Got extra cable. It's a front entry or rear entry cable. It's a front entry.
Coming in front.
Yeah. Thank you. Ain't it coming in front?
Yeah, it ready.
Okay. Your front entry cable, y'all. So we about to get that thing in. And then we'll take it for a ride down the road. Or better yet, man, we get it in, I'm gonna let Rick take it for a ride. So he can feel it or whatever. Ain't nobody drove it except Cuzzo or whatever. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. What you got going on there, Rick?
Getting it unbolted from the floor.
Oh, okay. Gotta get it. Getting it tucked loose, man, so he can get the new one on and all that. Had to jack this truck up, man. It's too low. This truck here way too low. I tried to slide and look on the other day. I was like, nah, it ain't happening. It ain't happening. That's what I'm telling y'all. It made to go straight line. That's what it made for. So he getting that unbolted. Says it'll be a quick little swap. Then we'll be able to get a low gear and all that. Look better too. It's cleaner. I said cleaner, new base. Y'all see everything I'm doing in the truck now. So when the time comes, it go on the market, or somebody come before then and got their heart right, you see what's going on. And I paid 5 figures for this truck. I'm gonna say, cause I be forgetting on tell y'all the price all the time, but I paid 5 figures for this truck. So, you know, gotta pay to play, man. Gotta pay to play. Should be going to get the parts this week. I found a guy that actually got the parts, saved me some money. So I canceled my order on them because they on back order. And it would took too long for them to get here. So we got that going on. See Big Dolo out here and stuff. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Should have it in a little bit. Y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in. So Rick got the new one bolted in. She going back with the cable.
I'm going, just putting the mountain boat, starting the nuts on the bottom.
Okay. Okay, so he's starting it up. So let me show y'all. Hey man, I said, look man, I had that problem. I was shooting another video for y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all, I was about to mount the card for y'all, but y'all ain't about to see that yet. Cause these cheap studs, well I can't say the stud cheap, I don't know what it is. But the stud done spun loose again. Y'all know that happened one time. It happened one time on the other side though. It was the other side last time. So now I got a stud. I can't get the wheel off. Probably gonna have to have it cut off or something. I can heat it up with the torch and then knock it off. But I'm just tired of fooling with it right now, cause it been a hell of a day. I've been shooting multiple videos with y'all, all I can say. So that's a problem right there. It just been a hell of a day. That's all I can say. That ain't been my only problem I had today. So y'all were gonna get to see the thing mounted up, but we're gonna have to put that on pause. But let me show y'all this thing here, man. This thing here was not, see, you can tell it older. It done seen better days. Let me see. Like I said, it just, y'all see that? See, like it, and it probably could be fixed. See, it's supposed to be, like it's stuck right there. It ain't working. So I wasn't just tripping. It ain't working. Man, I just looked at it. Oh boy, look. I just looked at the handle, y'all. This ain't on. I knew it felt funny, man, when I was grabbing. I said, man, this feel kind of funny. This some custom junk here, boy. Somebody made a B&M handle. Look at this. Somebody made it. I see it now. They cut it off, man. Like a piece of aluminum. Cut it off and made it. That's something. They're different right there. Got the custom B&M handle right here, man. That's crazy. I just now noticed that. I knew that. I said that thing there a little shorter, man. But yeah, this thing here messed up. But you can get stuff to fixing and all that. But I don't know. Said, but yeah, I went tripping. This thing, look at that. Thing ain't doing nothing. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking back in. Rick got it on mounted, and the what's the name? The base was trimmed down. We should have showed y'all. So using the old base, but all the other stuff gonna be used. So the little base plate, like I said, they had cut it down. You see them side by side, you would have seen it. Major height difference. But we're gonna use the new chrome piece right there. Got a real handle this time, not the custom made handle. We're gonna use this. They got an extra cable and all that other stuff. Then we can go get a low gear, man. I don't know what's going on with that right there. We can get a low gear and all that. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Fire this thing up in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking back in, checking in. What we got going on now, Rick?
Putting the travel on there. Show you what gear you in.
Oh, okay.
I don't think the other one had that on there, did it? That little P.
Nah, it didn't. It didn't. Hooking everything up, y'all, so we'll see what's going on. For real, see what's going on. You gonna take this thing up the street? You gonna take driving?
Oh yeah.
Yes indeed.
Yeah, I'll take it about that.
Let my fam, man, y'all know I don't let just anybody drive the cars. But fam, man, you know how that go. I'm gonna let Rick go on up through there. It ain't like the don't panic money car though, but he'll be able to tell if it's quick or not.
Oh yeah.
He'll be able to tell if it's quick or not. When you had something fast, you know when something quick, man. So that's how that go. Then when you ain't, you can get into some 300 horsepower. Think you rolling. Tell him, Rick.
Oh yeah.
Hey, we done talked about that, man, cause we were talking about back in the day, like when we first started. Cause we've been doing the junk a long time for real. We were talking about when we first started, how we thought we would ride, man. We ain't had probably just had 300 horsepower to the wheel, if that.
Yep.
And it was spin clean up the street. But when you feel like a true 300 rear wheel horsepower car, it feel good. Like I told y'all, the supercharged Cutlass, people seeing that supercharged and they were thinking, man, it make all that power. I called the number. I said probably gonna make 300 to the wheel. That's what it make on the money. Could you get more out of it? Yeah, but then you risking hurting something and all that. But I put somebody in that car and I put them radial tires, not radials, them 26-inch slicks on that car. Man, it feel like the fastest thing in the world. 300 horsepower. But when you can feel everything, it feel good. So now the truck, I don't really have no estimate on the truck cause I ain't make no real pull in it. So I don't have no real estimate. Like I said, it was just high gear. I ain't made no legit pull, you know, like in a first gear, second, going through it. Now, it got to have a hell of a torque curve cause it doing that. It puts some torque down. You roll in it, it'll break the tire loose. But that's how I know right now. Now, Dolo, the torque Dolo make is ridiculous. I ain't never show y'all the numbers. That was before the fuel system got fixed. It had fuel system issue. But that car, that's why that car spin like it spin. And a big car need torque. The little truck, the truck don't need as much power. It's a lot lighter, chassis set up good. Like this truck chassis right now set up better than Dolo. The chassis actually is set up better than Dolo. Now when I get them high dollar shots on there, we're gonna be in the game. But that's how I like it, man. It's deception. It's deception. Like people see the smaller car, they automatically think the smaller car the faster car. People been coming up to me, I know the truck quick, don't get me wrong. But people look at the truck in the G-body, they got to be the fastest, jump on the big cars. So I put the hogs in the big cars. I'm telling y'all my little secrets, but I put the hogs in the big car. So like I said, people they'll negotiate more with that. It's a big car, then they'll see something like that. I can't give you nothing. It look the part, all that, and it's pretty decent, pretty quick. But the big car, you don't expect that. You don't expect it. So you put the hogs in them. So yeah, man, we getting this thing, or should I say Rick getting this thing together and all that, put back together and all that. So next time I turn y'all on, cause it bolted in. Next time I turn y'all on, I'm gonna get him when he coming back, so y'all can see he can see what he think about it. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Look at it. Look at what happened. I'm talking about pour it down. Had to hurry up, put everything up. Got the shift in there, man, but I gotta put the jam nut on there and just put the knob, the handle on. But shout out to Rick, man. He got that thing knocked out for me. Appreciate my fam all the time as usual. Had to scurry and put everything up, man. Soaking wet. Finna go in the house, man. Take a good bath, chill out, cause it been a hell of a day with these cars, all I can tell you. It been a hell of a day, man. It's some stuff. Like I said, I told y'all Dolo, man, that lug nut and can't get it off. Gonna have to take it and get it cut off. Like, it just, good God almighty. Boy, these cars, man. I finna mount up for y'all, man, then damn lug nut got stuck on them. Then, like I said, the shifter, we got the shifter in, and we got it going, so he ain't get a chance to drive it. We'll do that another day. Said I appreciate Rick coming through, popping up last minute. Said we'll do that another day though. Then I don't know, it's supposed to rain tomorrow and all that. I don't know when next time we get a chance to fool with him. So now I got to get the lug cut off of Dolo and get another stud put in there like I had to do last time. That's crazy, man. Them studs keep coming out of them damn rotors, man. I don't know what kind of stud they are, man. I'm gonna buy some ARP front stud, cause they keep coming out. Like some cheap stud, man. That's the second time. But last time, like I said, it was on the passenger side. And some people might remember that vlog. So I'm like, man, come on, dog. But we gotta get that done, cause I'm gonna mount the car. Still gotta get the car tuned, all that other stuff, man. I don't know. It just been a day. That's all I can say. It just been a day. It be like that with these cars sometimes, man. You just had them day and really just need to take a break from fooling with them. Like, then I got multiple, so you know, sometimes stuff going good, or then you can have something happen to all of them at one time. Like, it's just crazy. So I don't know, man. It is what it is. Like I said, the truck crispy running A1, shift in. That's all it needed done to it. I got headlights coming. I'm gonna do headlight install, new bezels on and stuff. We gotta go grab the door or truck bed. See, that's the thing, man, having somewhere to put all this stuff. Like a whole truck bed, like I don't even know where I'm gonna put it, but I got to go ahead and buy it. I might set it on my trailer and back it up right there. But then I sit on the trailer and I need the trailer. I'm like, shit, I ain't got nowhere to put all this stuff, man. I ain't trying to have my house looking like no junkyard, but that's why I say I'm gonna get on the junk fast, man. I'm gonna drop the bag, get on it fast. Truck, go ahead and get fixed, get repainted, and be good to go. And I supposed to been driving it to my other paint guy, cause he was like he can knock it out in 2 weeks. So I'm supposed to been driving to him. I'm gonna try to next Sunday day. It might be the weekend, but I don't know, man. I'm trying to keep this junk rolling fast, man. Like I'm trying to keep it rolling fast so I can just be at peace and just drive them. We still got to do meets, so I'm just finna go in the house and chill out. I'm just finna go in the house and chill out, man. It's just been a hell of a day with, I ain't gonna say these cars, with Dolo, really. It's a little simple stuff, man. So that's it, man. I'm gonna go work out a plan, make some phone calls and all that, and make stuff shake again tomorrow. So that's it, y'all. Catch y'all later. Appreciate y'all, BCG.